Hello, folks. We are home, aren't we, Lexi? We are home. So now I didn't vlog the last couple of days. It was just kind of hectic and didn't do much really. So I didn't vlog, but we are home. And now Lexi and I think I need to pump on my tire. Lexi and I are going to pick up the dogs. So that's very exciting. And I'm going to stop here and get the mail, see if anything exciting is there. So I'll be right back. All right, so exciting. Got the mail, and I think I have everything in for my wish haul. I'm so excited. I don't know if you can see it in the back seat. So I'll probably do that. If I don't do it tonight, because I don't know if I'll be able to control myself for not opening those, I'll have it up
Can I tell you
tomorrow.
Cool?
You sure can.
There's like a whole bunch of new sets. There's
New
like
sets of what?
American Girl dolls. Now there's like new like different for ones. So like those types for beaches.
Oh.
And, I didn't know they make
Boy American Girl dolls, yeah.
Yeah, it was blue eyes.
Boy American boy dolls, I guess, huh? Yeah, but you don't even play with the one that you have now.
Shush.
Hey, don't be rude.
Shush.
So why would you get another one if you don't play with the one that you have?
Because I just want to try to make it like a school and then get like a super big doll so it could like be a teacher.
Well, they're all the same size, babe. We'll see. You have to make that list for Santa. It's getting down to the wire now, right? So anyway, so we are still on BC time, so they're 4 hours behind. So we actually didn't get, it's 12 o'clock right now. We got up at 11:30, but really back if we were still in BC time, it's like 8:30. So yeah, so we definitely slept in. So that's why we're we're not rushed, but I mean, I want to get my pups and I want to get back home, and now I have a haul to do. So yeah, so we're gonna stop. I didn't have coffee yet, believe it or not, and I'm kind of upbeat. That's amazing. So we're gonna stop and see if
and a Christmas themed one too. Oh my god!
See if McDonald's has breakfast still. If not, do you want nuggets? What do you want? Anyway, we'll deal with it after. She got a, is that the Toys R Us Christmas book, I think? What is this? Dream Master. Like their little wish, like kids' wish book, basically. So, Dream Big. Let's go Toys. So she's gonna look at that, probably make up her list. But anyway, I've been rambling on now. Oh, I know. I thought those were cool too. I've seen those before. So anyway, I'm gonna put this down before the police car sees me with my phone out.
You can make your own wig. See?
Cool.
You can dye her hair.
Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go, and we will talk to you when we pick up the puppies. Okay, we've made it to pick up the pups. Let's see if they're gonna be excited. Where are they? Where's the babies? Surprised I didn't let them out yet. Where's my babies? Where's Mommy's girls? Where's my girls? Open the door. Where's my girls? Emma! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Boogie! Hi, darling! Oh, there's my babies! Hi, darling girl! Hi, Emma! Lexi's gonna have her breakfast. Hi, baby! Did you miss Mama?
That's here. Oh, Nanny, I'll try later and see what I can do.
Bring it over to Mommy. Let me see it. Nanny keeps Barbies for Lexi at her house, and Lexi's discovered that she has imperfections.
Where is it?
Just a little bit on her.
It does look like a little bit of ink was probably
On where?
on her cheek. That's all. It actually kind of looks like her makeup almost, doesn't
The
it?
other one, honey.
Come show us this doll.
This one?
Show
No.
the people.
The other one right there. That's ink.
Lexi loves her Monster High dolls.
Well, it's almost.
I like her. I think she's my favorite. Who's that?
There is another one, and I changed
Get your skirt.
one of
down.
her
Don't you
outfits
run
up.
around with-
One of the outfits.
She weighed 1,028 pounds.
Is she supposed to be some sort of a
She's a,
goth or something?
she's a monster.
Monster
A
dog.
monster?
She's daughter of
Oh,
Frankenstein.
Yes.
your hands.
Is she fancy, Daddy?
Yeah, you can, that'll come off, I'm sure.
Oh, still we have made it home. There goes the girls. And check out the yard. Check out the yard, babies. Now we got you. Yeah, everything you need. The babies, where are ya? Are we home? Did you get your Barbies?
Yep.
I'm going in. Just gonna go check out the house. Hey guys, so we're home. Looking like a hot mess. I got my babies back. You guys gonna check out the house? Make sure everything's where it should be? Yeah? You gonna go open up your crate? So when I ran to get the dogs, hubby ran to Costco, so I got quite a mess here that I get to clean up and put away. But look, yes, the haul is gonna happen. So, I'm going to end this vlog. I'm gonna clean up my house, get everything situated, and then open those packages. Talk to you guys later.